Being a YouTuber doesn't have to mean being on camera 24/7. If you're a little shy like me, or just want to have a break from being on, this is the perfect solution, guys. A 3D animated version of yourself. Hey guys, it's your girl Somi, and I'm here to show you how you can create a 3D animated version of yourself that you can use to put on your faceless YouTube channel and earn a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and don't skip any part of this video. Also, make sure you like this video, share this video, leave a comment once you're done watching, and subscribe to this amazing channel. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's start the first step. Go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Now you want to search for consistent character. So type in consistent and then it will bring out a list of options. Click on the first one. Then you're going to click here to start creating character design. And then you want to click on that plus sign. Click on photos and import a photo of yours. Once you do this, make sure you also add a note. All right. So simply put, I want to create a 3D animation or animated character of this photo. Okay, so you want ChatGPT to use your photo as a reference, right? So you're going to also add what you need ChatGPT to include in the background as well. So make sure this is very detailed. So also bear in mind that when you put this, ChatGPT will ask you further questions just to be sure of the photo that is generating for you. So make sure that you're giving accurate answers to those questions so that you can get your desired results, okay? So it asked me if I wanted a female character and I said yes. The next question it asked was the name for the character and which I imputed as well. And then it went on to ask me some other few questions concerning the details or like the details of the character, basically like the age range, the country, nationality, etc. So make sure you just fill it based on what you want. If you want the age to be 50s, impute it. If you want it to be 20s, impute it. Just do what you want. Okay, so you can just follow these templates. This is how I'm doing it, so you can do yours like this. So I wanted my character to dress up like an Igbo lady. So this is what I just imputed for ChatGPT, and we'll wait to see the results. Okay. After waiting and waiting, ChatGPT finally brought out this amazing photo, but it was in a portrait mode and I wanted landscape for my YouTube videos. So you simply just have to ask ChatGPT and it will bring out this amazing photo for you. So I went for that to download it because I liked it. The most amazing thing about this consistent character part in ChatGPT is that you get the opportunity to create so many photos, like so many different photos of your character doing different postures and different poses without having to tamper with the looks of your character. Like it's that good. So make sure that you're saving the photos that you are generating, right? You can just basically freestyle, but make sure you download all photos. Now moving on to the most amazing tool I've ever used to lip sync my audio to my animation photos. This is the most amazing, like you can even testify when you try it out. Like it has unlimited opportunities and unlimited slots for you to just do a lot of things with your animated photos, and it's just free of charge. Okay, when you sign in, it's going to show you something like this. Click on that plus button, it will show you something like this. Click on mic and then click on upload an image. Then you upload that animated character photo that you have. After that, click on audio and then you should have a recorded audio already saved in your phone, which you're going to upload here. So when you upload it, you're going to click on use and then click on generate. It's going to take a while, but after generating, it should look like this. So it's not going to actually have a voice for now until you download the video into your gallery. So while we are waiting for it to download, let's quickly work on two other photos. Now that it's downloaded, let's check it out in our gallery. Being a YouTuber doesn't have to mean being on camera 24/7. If you're a little shy like me, or just want to have a break from being on, this is the perfect solution, guys. A 3D animated version of yourself. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and don't skip any part of this video. So once you're done working on those photos, go to CapCut, import those videos you've downloaded and edit them to your taste. Now you can see how easy this is. Like, it's very, very easy, right? So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, leave a comment down below once you're done watching, and subscribe to this amazing channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.